Alright, I want us to start this project called XENEA. I know this project is no more new. XENEA wallet. You can see that this project has been circulating around and people has been mining the project. So for this project, I will advise that everybody can start. Even though we pretty normal, I did not do the video. So I did not do this video separately. But if you watch some of my videos, you see that I have recorded a video that talks about this XENEA. I think in one of the videos I said 5 projects you should not miss. But I want to record this one separately now. So if you are in my community, you will see that I do drop answer some of the questions. Are you getting it now? So for today now, we have this project. So for you to mine it, you have to first of all claim that you even log in every day. You have a point. I take 100 points. Sometimes it is more than that. So let me click on it now. You can see I have 101. Great job. And my total reward is 13,000. And the great part of it is that I have reached the stage that it will automatically be mining for me. So it has mined over 275 points for me without me not being online. Are you seeing it now? So the next thing is for me to click on this mission. So as you click on the mission, it's going to... Now I have to answer the question for the day. These are questions for the day. So I've done day 1. I think I've done up to 7 days. That's why I started from 1 again. So this is day 2. So if I should click on day 2 now, it's going to take me to the question stage. Now what am I going to do is very simple. I'll just click on day 2. I'll click on day 2 here, this one. Click on day 2. Now click on start quiz. Click on start quiz. So what year was Bitcoin created? That's 2009. 2009, yeah. I'll click on it. So I'll click on submit. So correct, you got more gems. That means I've gotten about 200 points for today. So correct answer for today is A for XENEA. So those are four. So in case you want to start, I will drop the link in the comment section or the description. Just look for way around this video. You're going to see the link. So it's going to take you to Play Store. You have to download the app. After downloading the app, you can now start mining this project. So if you want to get more updates on some of these valid and guaranteed listing of some of these airdrop, I'm not talking about the one that will giving you dust. I'm talking about good projects that's going to reward you meaningfully. One of them is this XENEA. So follow us, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook. Follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we'll be dropping more updates back to back like this. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.